Welcome to DV Systems channel. At DV Systems, we are committed to delivering secure, reliable, and efficient cabling solutions tailored to meet your specific needs. Whether it's fiber optic cabling, network installations, or security system integrations, our dedicated team is here to ensure seamless and dependable communication networks for businesses and individuals alike. Today we would be talking about the role of fiber optic cabling in secure data transmission. Fiber optic cabling plays a foundational role in the secure and efficient transmission of data across the world, connecting everything from local businesses to major global networks. Unlike traditional copper wiring, fiber optic cables use light signals to transmit information, offering unparalleled speed and reliability. This makes fiber optic technology ideal for environments where data security is a top priority, such as in banks, government institutions, and healthcare facilities. At the heart of fiber optic security is its impressive resistance to external interference. Since fiber optics rely on light traveling through glass fibers, they are inherently immune to electromagnetic interference, which is a common vulnerability with copper cabling. This means that fiber networks are far less susceptible to hacking attempts that use electrical interception methods. Additionally, any attempt to tamper with or physically intercept data on a fiber optic line usually results in visible disruptions, immediately alerting security systems to potential breaches. Fiber optics also supports a vast amount of data over long distances without significant signal loss, making it perfect for securely transmitting high volumes of sensitive information. This ability to retain signal quality over long distances ensures that data reaches its destination quickly and remains intact, making fiber optics a robust choice for any organization that prioritizes the integrity and confidentiality of its information. The role of fiber optic cabling in secure data transmission is more critical than ever in our digital age. As technology advances and cybersecurity threats become more sophisticated, fiber optics stands out as a premier choice for businesses and institutions seeking a secure, reliable, and high-speed communication network. Investing in fiber optic infrastructure is more than just a technical upgrade, it's a commitment to data security and a future-proof strategy for an increasingly connected world. Thank you for exploring the importance of fiber optics in secure data transmission. Here's to a future where information flows freely and securely. We appreciate the opportunity to serve you and are always here to answer any questions. Please also like and subscribe for more informative videos. For more information on how we can help with your cabling and security needs, feel free to reach out at 888-501-5885 or visit our website at www.dvcsny.com. Thank you for trusting us with your connectivity and security.